Hello, my name is Sofia Fernandez and I will say some tongue twisters and sentences. Tongue twister. Kathy's 27th birthday is Thursday, December the 3rd. I thought of thinking of thanking you. He threw 3 balls. Tom threw Tim 3 thumbtacks. Now these sentences. I think it is Thursday. It is his 13th birthday today. You can clean your teeth with a thin toothpick. They showed us their father or their mother. The other clothes are new. There is another feather over there. That thing is bigger than that other thing. Those 3 boys will be there this Thursday, October 9th. There is something in that dog's mouth. My brother said the weather is warmer in the south than in the north. That's all. Thank you.